Alright, y'all. That turkey did not want to come in to save his life. But I'm moving to a different spot now. That turkey stayed. I think he's on the roost right now still. He did not want to come out of that spot for nothing. I don't know if he was henned up. I don't know. I got as close as I could. You're probably wondering why I moved so much. And it's because the mosquitoes this morning are as bad as you could imagine. They're everywhere. You can't move because of the turkey. You don't know where he's at. And there's mosquitoes just swarming my legs. Like, at one point I was trying to reach for mud to rub on my legs. It was that bad. There was mosquitoes everywhere. And I was like, well, I moved real close last time and I ended up with a dead turkey. This time, might as well try the same thing. If I spook him, I mean, there's nothing saying that he would have came in anyway, but I'm gonna move to the completely different side of this land to make him possibly think that I'm a different hen. So if I did spook him, he might gobble to this hen that's over on this side of the land. Will that work? I have no idea. Probably not. That turkey shut up. He went from gobbling one after another, just a steady gobbling to absolutely nothing. He has not gobbled in probably 30 minutes. I don't know if he hit the ground and just shut up. I don't know if he had hens. I don't know why he did that. He could have saw me. It's a good possibility he was still roosted. And if he was, there's a good chance he could have saw me. Never heard him fly off, never heard nothing like that. He just shut up. He might have saw me. If he did that, that'll shut a turkey up quicker than a hen will. A hen, I don't know, but I'm gonna go to the other side of this land. If nothing happens, I'm eventually gonna have to leave. I only have a limited time to hunt today because of the rain coming. Just like last time, but last time it did not last this long. That turkey was way more committed last time. But that was also before I shot one of his buddies. So I'll catch y'all in a minute.